start moving left and right, opening up the mouth of the net. That's on the left and right cable. That center cable going down is called the tongue line, and that's attached to the top of the mouth of the net. And that just keeps the top of the mouth of your net anytime you are commercially shrimping. Our educational permit doesn't require us to use these, so I'm going to show them to you here on the table so you have a better idea how a commercial net is going to fish compared to what you're seeing today with our net. The first one is this big round object here. This is called a TED, T-E-D. That stands for Turtle Excluder Device. So as the name implies, the primary purpose of this is to get sea turtles out of the net if they were to get caught. Again, required on all commercial boats. This little metal frame here, this is called a BIRD. B-R-D stands for Bycatch Reduction Device. Bycatch is all the extra animals that get caught up in the net that you're not intending to catch. Hopefully we didn't get Mr. Ray back in there.
All my life.
All right, we're hooked up. There we go. That's a big southern stingray underneath our pile there. You might start throwing stuff. Here is our southern stingray. He does have a big barb back there. That's why I'm kind of being cautious. It is a venomous barb. We've got another stingray here.
How long did he be out?
Sharks and rays hold up really well outside of the water. This one will be just fine until we're ready to release it. Alright, so this is our Atlantic stingray. He's only going to get about 3 feet from wingtip to wingtip when he's fully grown. The southern here can get maybe 4 or 5 feet from wingtip to wingtip. Stingrays are known for their very long tails. On the southern, his tail's been cut off somehow. And about halfway down the tail is their barb. Now this one has 2 barbs, one on top of the other. That's not uncommon. The barbs are very sharp on the tip. They're serrated on the edges, and the venom is in the serrations, all down the sides of the barb. They do have some little barbs here on the back. These are not very sharp. They're not venomous. You can gently touch the little tiny barbs there on their spine. Just don't reach down the tail towards me. You're going to find that they're really slimy. All that slime is going to help the mud and the sand come off of them when they're buried down on the bottom. Get out of it.
Do they use these what they call scallops? You ever heard of that?
Say that again?
Using them as baked scallops.
Yes, stingrays are kind of considered the edible ray. They're the ones that people like to eat. The wings are the edible part. So there's the bottom teeth there, that little rough plate. With fingers holding onto right there. But a shrimper, that's a good point. The shrimpers, anything they catch that's of legal size and is sellable, they can harvest that as well. So if they catch blue crabs, sea trout, down on the bottom. So really short tail back here, no barb, able to pass this one around. You're going to want to put 2 hands underneath it. If you've got little hands, you might want to slide it up onto your forearms there to kind of help hold onto them. Don't go too far out to the sides because it's going to slide in between, so kind of keep them near the center of the ray. There you go. His mouth. It opens up right in the front. So he's generally chasing after other fish, chasing after shrimp. He's got a really good set of teeth in his mouth, including one or two little fangs that stick down from the top. This one is called a gaff topsail catfish. It's one of two different types of saltwater catfish that we have, the gaff topsail and the hardhead. So cannonball jellyfish. They do get about cannonball size, volleyball size when they're fully grown. They are very firm-bodied jellyfish, and they do have stinging cells. They do have those nematocysts. In order to be a jellyfish, you have to have stinging cells, but how strong those stinging cells are varies from jellyfish to jellyfish. Some of our shrimpers do go out and harvest these guys. They are edible. There's a processing plant up in Darien, north of here, on some of the same animals that a sheep's head does, feeding off of structure. So you might find them in the same area. White shrimp. This is the one we're known for here in Georgia. You can tell a white shrimp by the pretty green color on the tip of the tail right there. The brown shrimp is going to have red and blue on the tip of the tail, compared to that really pretty green. And when these guys are fully grown, they're going to be about that big. So this one can even get a little bit bigger. So these are the size of the ones growing up here in the estuary. This one right here, we have a small group of white shrimp that don't spawn in the spring. They spawn instead in the fall. Anything, the eyes.
Yeah. Fish on net, crew retrieve the net. This will be your third and final drag of the afternoon if you've not had a chance to get to the cully tank.
We've got at least 3 sharks in there for you. I think I see 4 in there. All right. So the sharks that we have here, anybody want to look at this little stingray? Yeah? Alright, save that one. Give y'all another chance to see that one. Around the barrier islands in the shallow coastal water, primarily feeding on the bottom. His favorite food are going to be crabs, like blue crabs. And this head shape up here is going to help him, or her, help her find and eat some of those crabs. There you go.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Now, these sharks are born live. They're a little over a foot long, 4 or 5 sharks together. And if you're at the beach and you see some small composite sharks like this in really shallow water, right as well, hunting those blue crabs. I'm really bad at guessing weights. What do you think that one weighs?
10, 15 pounds.
We'll go on the high side. We'll go 15 pounds.
Anybody on this one?